see in front of me, it's a light stick. Consists of 8 pieces of C4 wasp modules. It's about 36 inch long and about 1 inch thick. And it's all 8 pieces of modules was enclosed in this ruggedly built, very resistant aluminum enclosure. And it's a great choice for those who want outfitting your trucks and SUVs. It's very super easy to install on various spots on your vehicle. Primarily built for exterior mounting, it can goes perfect into places like your push bumper or your rear guard, or simply tucked away in a nice and clean spot like your front grille. Also, it's okay if you want it to be interior mounting. It can go into places like your rear window or your side window. Anyway, what we have here, 8 pieces of modules are all amber color. It can also go to colors like red, blue, or if you want to turn it into a work light function, it can be all white, all 8 pieces of white modules, and it's also available in dual color like red and blue and red and white. So what we have here is a 36 inch long version, consists of 8 pieces of C4 modules, and this light stick has other lengths available, like 4 pieces C4 module or 6 pieces C4 module. And when it comes to installation on your vehicle, it's actually super easy. Now I flip this light stick, and you can find there's a back channel here. That's for your installation on your vehicle. When it comes to installation, you need to remove this side end cap here. This one side does not come with the harness wires. So remove it and use one of the T-shaped screw to slide through this back channel here, and in this way you can mount it on anywhere you like on your vehicle. When it comes to replacing one of the modules inside this stick, 911 signals shrapnel design module, well, super easy. And we need extra help with these 2 screwdrivers. Put it here, and it's super easy to dig it out, one of the modules. You see, it's super easy. Everyone can do it with these 2 shrapnels beside the module. Everyone can dig a module out if you like. Now we have this individual C4 module out, and we are going to replace it with a new module. And here we need first disconnect this waterproof connection here. It's very simple. Put it here and pull it out. Okay, here we have a new module here, and I'm going to use this one to replace the older one that I have just dig out. And first we need to make the connection here, and it's easy, and it's even easier to put it back in like this. And okay, it's done. Okay, now we have the red and the black wire connected to positive and ground. And now I'm going to light the product up with this brown wire, which controls the on and off function. And here we are going to make a flash pattern adjustment by tapping the yellow wire to positive. And that is how we make the flash pattern advancement. Each one tap makes one advancement of flash patterns. And this light stick also comes with a function of traffic advisor, and that's achieved by these 2 wires, orange and blue. And with blue we have a arrow function, And with orange we have also an arrow, just the opposite. And when I put these two arrow wire together, you can have a center out. Here. And here we have left with two wires, one green and one white. And this green wire is controlled with the AUX function. And I'm going to tap this wire into positive and see what happens. Okay, this is AUX.